Hello, Senior Stoner fans. It's the real Senior Stoner back at you for another in our series of product introductions, first impressions, and reviews. This is by the Heybar device. This is the Heypipe. I'm extremely excited to bring this to everybody because this is an affordable at $119 option to some things that are triple that price on the market. It's modular in design, it's portable, it's got very easy cleaning, and it's USB-C for quick charging. This is by Heybar Devices, the Heypipe. Looks just like a pipe, but it's going to give us the ability to do our dabs on the run. That's right, it's a dab tool, a dab pen, and it's a nice one. Let's unbox it and take a closer look. Heybar doesn't spend a lot of money on their box. On the back, it tells us what's inside and how to use it. It's a 5-turn on and off device. 3 clicks to send your voltage to one of 4 temperatures: 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4 volts. It's a 2-click to start and 1 to shut it off. It shuts down after 20 minutes automatically. It's got an 1100 mAh battery. Takes about an hour to an hour and a half to charge it fully via the micro USB-C. Included is your unit, a glass tip, a couple of Q-tips, a USB-C charging cable, a dab tool, and some Q-tips. So we're going to see all the things that we need to get started with the new device. Once again, this is by Heybar Devices, the Heypipe. Well, what the Heypipe is designed to do, you're going to see it really clearly here, is to emulate something we know. That's right, for less than a third of the price. It's got a lot of the same features, advantages, and benefits as a much more expensive unit. Let's open up the instruction manual and take a look. Very simple unit to use. One of the reasons I like it. The other reason I like it is because the features, advantages, and benefits bring it to you at a very good price of $119. The unit is designed as a self-contained with a 1100 mAh battery and quartz bottom ceramic atomizer, all in here. This is designed to look like what? A regular pipe. So guess what you're going to be able to do? You're going to be able to use your dabs stealthily. You're not going to have to show it in public that you're even doing dabs. No one's going to know. You insert the unit into here, close your carb cap down. Once the heat is on, you're rolling. So, it is a simple unit to use. Let's go through the process. First, we're going to do our loading. We're going to use a terp pearl, 1 terp pearl, and then I'm going to load my diamonds in, my Stizzy diamonds. Cold loading today. We're going to do a cold load. This is not hot right now. Going to put in a nice diamond so it melts up really nice in there. I'm looking for flavor, vapor production, and value for my money. Let's close it down tight. Click it 5 times to turn it on. And it's on. Right now it's on the blue. Let's click it twice. Shuggy, stop! Please stop! Here we go. We're out on red, actually. And we're going to wait for our haptic feedback. And when we see the dab train rolling, you'll see the dab train rolling through the cap. Here it comes. Cheers, everybody. Very smooth. I want to put my dabs more down into the center so they melt good. Remember, it's not a 360 chamber, everybody. It's more of a traditional chamber. which will be fine for $119. Here we go. Heating up nicely now. Here it goes. Melting. Cap on. Oh boy, here we go. Very nice. Good vapor production. Let's hit it again. It's back on. Still have material inside. This is one of those devices I don't think you want to pull hard on. If you just use it like you would a traditional pipe. My goodness. Strong. Let's change colors. Let's go out on blue. Here we go. Blue/white. Hard to tell in this lighting. Cheers. Very nice. Tasty, yet very, very good vapor production. I strongly suggest to Heybar devices. I strongly, suggest to Heybar devices that you add a bubbler. Come to market with a bubbler. Very efficient with my dab material. This is my third time pressing the battery. No burn taste yet. Very efficient. Good vapor, good taste, all around. I'm really, really liking it. This is by Heybar Devices. Tell them I sent you, Senior Stoner, for a better price. Use my name. One word. I'm hitting it a fourth time. Very efficient. I would have a dab roach taste by this time on many other units. Well, they figured it out really well. Heybar's done a very nice job with the Heypipe. At $119, this unit has features, advantages, and benefits of a unit that's almost triple the price. In many ways, I like this better. I'll tell you why. This is a silicone base here. Not going to break. Not going to break. That's smart. The glass pipe preserves the air path. The atomizer. Very, very smart design. Rubber or silicone on the top, a silicone collar down low. What you've got is you've got heat protection for your hands, seniors. This is perfect for seniors because you can leave it on the table, you can hold it in your hand. Very, very fluid, I would call it. Heybar. Make some other things to go with this. You really got a home run with this one. This is a really sleek, nice device. Wow. And for the price, did I say it was a category killer? It has potential. It needs to be promoted more. The Heypipe by Heybar Devices. They really did a nice job on this. I like it a lot. My dab material's now done. Let's turn it off. But it would go off in 20 minutes anyway. This has been the unboxing, first impression, review, and demonstration of the Heybar devices Heypipe. I really like it. I'm going to take it one step further. This could become a device I use every day. Heybar, if you introduce a bubbler, I would use this device every day. I don't know that I'll use it without the bubbler every single day, but those of you that use vape pens, people that are out there that are looking for a very, very good vape pen, this is taking it to the next level. The Heybar Heypipe. Go get yourself one. Wow. Thanks for joining me, everybody. As always, the Real Senior Stoner. You know what to do. If you enjoyed the video, which I expect you did, hit the subscribe button, send a like, and I reply to everybody's comments. Have a wonderful day out there. And thanks for joining me today for the Heybar Devices Heypipe introduction. Cheers, everybody, and have a wonderful day.